What's up guys, welcome back to another video. We are out here at the shed making things happen. We've got Marshall here. He's going to attempt at skimming that bog away, giving it a skimmer bog to get rid of those holes. And then yeah, I'm gonna cut, I've got some tabs, these little triangles here that I have no idea what they do. Cut these, the old radiator mounts off, cut them off, and then put the intercooler brackets on the front.
What is all this?
Flat out.
Why are you doing all this to your car for?
I don't know. No, I haven't told them yet. And I'm also going to trim all this up and make it all nice and pretty. But this is... Which one? Get out of it. Everyone's got to go follow Ra's channel, he reckons. Yeah, so I'm just going to trim this right up.
I'll tell you what he's doing if you go follow mine.
Oh, Ra reckons he's dropping the secrets on his channel. Okay. And then I'm going to put that in there. I might even give welding a go. Yeah, just fuck it, all good. Nick's not here, let's just have a turn. Fuck it. Yeah, it'll be alright. But yeah, we'll make these look pretty, engine bay look mint, and then yeah, and we can load it onto the trailer tonight, and I'm going to take it to my work and give it a clean out and water blast and degrease underneath it and shit, because it's just oily and shitty. So yeah, we'll get into it.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing, cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, cause guessing is useless. Useless. Come on and choose this. Useless. Come on and choose this. I don't wanna keep on second guessing.
Sweet, so yeah, give that a trim right up. Hopefully it's enough. Put the guard on, and then yeah, it can be hard against that. That'll be sweet. And yeah, put this other side. I've just got to actually weld the bottom of that plate and this bottom of that one, so that can be done. Not by me though, but yeah, Marsha's got it going on in here. Cover those holes, and once it's all painted, you won't even fucking know. So it'd be beautiful.
I don't wanna keep on second guessing, cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, cause guessing is useless. Keep on second guessing, cause guessing is useless. Choose this. I don't wanna keep.
Sweet, so yeah, cut those off and pull those off. The ads are fucking playing, no worries. So yeah, no, it's all good. Alright, so yeah, I'm just out here on my engineering table, as you can see, and yeah, I'm just gonna make some little plates for the bottom of that to weld to the bottom of the car, and then that can hold the bottom of the front mount. So yeah, should be all good. We'll see how I go. Well, you see, got some grinders, got some tapes, got some pins and a ruler. Fuck boy, I am a fabricator. Look at that, boy. So all I've got to do now is actually mount it on here. I don't know how I'm going to do that. I might just get some G-clamps, clamp it on, and then tack, and yeah, should be good. Try to get it in the middle of this bent sack. Like, I don't know if you guys can tell, but look at that chassis rail is like, like that. It's bent about there. So, and this one's going the same way because this big bar pushed everything over. But minor details. You'll line around it, no worries. I'm just doing another coat over there. These fellas trying to put Ra's car back together. Looking all fancy. Sweet, so yeah, that's kind of how they're going to look. Just clamp them on there for now. Going to test fit the intercooler one more time, and then we'll start tacking them on. Yo. So I'm going to attempt to fucking weld, I think. I'm like real scared to give those a go, but I'm going to see how I go on this plate and then go from there. Nick said put on 20 and pull the trigger. Fucking piece of piss. Right, so I've done about 10 seconds of practicing, and yeah, as you can see, that was my first one. Oh fucking hell, absolute rubbish. And then we just slowly got a little bit better. So I might have to go a little bit faster, but I'm just going to put a tack there and a tack there, I think. Then I can take the G-clamps off. You reckon? I don't know. Let's see how this goes. Fuck it. Oh, that's horrible.
The longer and the closer it sounds like. That sounds good. Nuts.
That one's shit. That one's not bad. I'll try. I'll fucking. Yeah. I'll do this side again. A little bit better. Oh, they're not the end of the world. Oi! You see, they're not too bad. Not too bad. That one's a bit shit, this first one here, but the other one's not too bad. Fuck, I'll just blaze across it. Oh, fuck, I don't know. Oh, I'll get a torch out, mate, and inspect. Oh, it's not pretty, but it's not... Well, fuck it. That's fine. No, better not do that. Alright, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Oh, not the end of the world. Nothing a linisher won't fucking fix, boy. Little fucking hole, boy. Oh, sweet, so now we're just gonna vacuum out the inside, get it ready and take all the shit off it and get it ready to put on the trailer. So we can, while there's three of us here, we can fucking blow our ass and yeah, try and get it on the trailer. So yeah, we got Ra's big ass trailer, thanks to Bun at Top Fab Engineering. So the little car, just fucking, you fellas got it, eh? Cause like, yeah, I'll just video, please, thank you. Chuck the hovercraft onto there.
3, 2, 1, go.
Boys on. So we just chuck some tyres under it as well, just to like not have it hard on the trailer. Put some strops through, and you know, pull on the strop, that ain't going anywhere. No worries. Yeah. And we'll clean up our mess. Alright, sweet, we're all tied on. Give it the shake test. Yep, that ain't going anywhere. Yeah, Raz fucking, yeah, sorting his all out. Looks fucking gangster. Look how good White is, man. You can see where he's at on his channel. 72 Motorsport Dog.
Another video coming tomorrow.
Oh, another video. Oh, okay. So that by the time this is out, there'll be another one up. So check that out. Oh, camera died, but yeah, that's me done for the night. I think car's on the trailer, ready to go to work. Get it just a nice wash and degrease and shit. So on the forklift. So that'll be sweet. I'll do that tomorrow, and yeah, we'll be bring it back and carry on with it. It's just while my last day of work tomorrow, so I want to take it to work, clean it up, and yeah, that'll be good. But you knock off too, cuz?
Yeah, Bob. It's on.
Yeah, roger. It's like 10 o'clock anyway, isn't it? It'll be close to. Yeah, 9:45, mate. Fucking early knock off tonight. Early knocky, beauty. But yeah, anyway guys, thanks heaps for watching. Hope you're enjoying the content, and yeah, we'll see you guys all in the next video. Cheers.